Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day today. Hey, PayPal is currently hiring, guys. I'm back with another job lead. Your career, your way. Search jobs by category to find a position and a team where you can make an impact, guys. At the top of the page, you will see careers, how we recruit, university hiring, diversity, benefits, job category, locations, brands, careers, blog, and my profile. So guys, I'm just going to scroll through here. And as you can see, these are the careers. I clicked on this job category tab to show you what categories that PayPal is currently hiring in. They're hiring in engineering, product management, design and user experience, sales and business development, trust, safety and fraud, marketing and communications, general management and business support, finance, human resources, data science and analytics, legal, IT and technical operations, student and recent grads, customer support, and blockchain, crypto, digital currencies. So if you want to click on learn more, click on view all jobs, it will take you over to another tab. And once you get over to that tab, guys, it will then show you everything that's available in customer support. So you have all of these different jobs that are linked here to the left. You have team leader for Venmo, customer support advisor. And this is worldwide, guys, worldwide opportunities, worldwide jobs for PayPal. And they have more job opportunities in actual customer support or customer service jobs and so forth and so on. And if you want to upload your resume and get matched, you can upload your resume, and your resume, it will tell you whatever skills or experience that you have matched to be able to show I guess once you go in and put your resume in there, it'll give you an idea on what jobs that are available that your skills and experience will be able to match to once you upload your resume on this little link here. So guys, I'm super excited, guys, to share with you that PayPal is hiring. Wishing you guys all of the best. Congrats to anybody who gets one of these roles. Just wanted to stop by really quick and share with you that PayPal is hiring, guys. For this particular match, as you can see, it's 294 jobs open just for customer support. Anything in customer service, anything in customer support is 294 jobs open. So just wanted to share that with you. Super excited, guys. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I love you all so much. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.